We launched the Sustaining Competitive and Responsible Enterprises Programme, or short SCORE, in Albania in 2022 in the framework of a UN joint project, Business Partnerships and Solutions for SDGs, which was financed by the government of Sweden in Tirana.
We have supported and continue to support through our UN partners, including ILO, UNIDO, FAO and UNDP, a program to enable the private sector in Albania to make this transition to become more competitive and effective in order to meet the requirements and opportunities at the European markets.
SCORE has contributed to a number of participating, benefiting enterprises to upgrade their business operations when it comes to working conditions, but also productivity and competitiveness.
Up to date, we have achieved significant improvements by implementing enhancing productivity interventions in the textile and footwear sector.
I'm a manager here at Madish. It's a company that will celebrate 30 years next year. We are a team of 176 people. We are specialized in textile. We produce undergarments for major Italian brands, and we also produce tactical uniforms.
Sektori tekstileve është sektori I cili në ekonominë shqiptare kontribuon maksimalisht në punësim. Janë mbi 48.000 të punësuar që janë të punësuar në këtë sektor në vende të ndryshme të vendit. Përshpërndarja geografike është e madhe dhe është një sektor me rëndësi të veçantë në këtë drejtim, por gjithashtu ka një rëndësi të veçantë në eksportet shqiptare.
The International Labour Organization SCORE Programme eventually came at the right time for us. We were experiencing a lot of trouble with organization, fast growth, many problems with deliveries and tracking orders, and also employee morale was going really down. And we said it's time to change mindset, and that's why we decided it's time to apply and be part of this.
It's not easy to transform a normal factory to the requirements of European Union. The ILO SCORE Programme was on time, on good time, on due time, because it helped the companies, the Albanian companies, to introduce but also to upgrade the standards of workflow, their workflow.
Around 50 textile and footwear enterprises have benefited from the program, receiving in-class training as well as coaching sessions, and the changes are real.
Everyday enterprises have faced a lot of challenges in order to optimize their processes and resources because they lack coordination and common purpose. A key approach of the SCORE program is continuous improvement. And this program addresses this issue by establishing an enterprise improvement team, which is composed both of workers and managers. By doing so, then the enterprise improvement team fosters a culture of agility and adaptability. And in this way, it has improved workplace cooperation, quality and productivity.
Ky aspekti I trajnimit të dy palëve, si nga ana e punëdhënësve, si nga ana e sindikatave, është parë domethënë si vlerësuar. Për ne si Konfederatë e Sindikatave të Shqipërisë jemi shumë pozitiv, falendërues që janë përfshirë të dyja palët. We started by creating the enterprise improvement team. This became a culture, became part of our culture of our everyday operations.
Through the SCORE program, the workers gain technical skills in optimizing processes as well as soft skills such as teamwork and collaboration. For the first time, employers started engaging workers in problem solving and actually learning from their experience as well as knowledge.
They would not feel part of this team, let's say. And by changing the mentality, by using this software that tracks also production, that they're able to see what they have done, it's completely transparent, they're able to fill their productivity gaps in real time, and all these things made it possible to improve their morale.
The impact of improved workplace collaboration has been significant. 80% of benefiting enterprises reported a dropout in absenteeism and 67% reduced turnover.
The improvements I would highlight the most is the reduction of absenteeism. We did this by changing policies, but also by using tracking software for attendance and everything, and making sure workers understand but also are paid their fair share of work and contribution. We have been able to increase retention, which was a huge problem for us, and we understood that the key cause of this high turnover was employee morale.
On the top of that, the energy consumption for the SCORE enterprises was reduced in average by 15%, while the waste production cut by half.
By optimizing processes and sorting out the inventory, we were able, let's say, to shorten the processes, to make it easier for them to transport from one place to another, so they would be more, let's say, less physically restrained, but also more productive during the day. And that's how, through continuous analyzing of our processes and people and the idle time and all the defects that we were encountering from product level up to managerial level, that's how we were able to develop good software for tracking production, for tracking attendance, and understood how it's important to change the working conditions, but in line with what the workers need, by understanding and listening. And this has caused a huge change in our relationships with the clients as well, because now we are able to deliver in time and with no problems.
60% of the benefiting enterprises established the Occupation Safety and Health Committees, and more than half of them started analyzing the root cause of the accidents at the workplace, which helped them conduct risk assessments in order to prevent injuries.
After the implementation of the SCORE program, most of the workers in the beginning did not understand it. Eventually, they came to thank us. The gratitude started from the people responsible for production, because they felt more in power and more in proprietorship of the processes. Whereas, let's say, to the workers, they are quite satisfied, and they express it as a general feeling that now we are more motivated, and they express it that they having a fairer wages, or also a fairer perception of their contribution in the whole team, let's say, makes them feel more motivated and more at ease working with us. So now they feel that they are part of the team.
The SCORE program has been transformative for the textile and footwear enterprises and became a standard operating procedure.
Now, equipped with these issues, I think that Albania can become a hub of the textile and footwear industry for their high-level production in compliance with the EU requirements.
Në vend të tillë, kjo do rrisë domethënë prodhimin, do rrisë cilësinë e punës, do rrisë shumë aspekte që I lidhen edhe me të.
And what the SCORE program has done has lifted these enterprises and upgraded them to another level and make them ready to join global value chains.
I hope that the social partners will take this on and will be able to continue offering the program to the textile and footwear enterprises, as well as to adapt it for other sectors, while for the ILO to expand in all the other Western Balkan economies.
Bashkërisht me mbështetjen që ILO I ka dhënë nëpërmjet këtij programi, mund të kalohen sfidat. Unë kam ndjekur me shumë interes ecurinë e programit dhe besoj që është një model suksesi që duhet domosdoshmërisht të replikohet dhe në kompani të tjera. Për këtë arsye falenderoj Organizatën Ndërkombëtare të Punës, pasi besoj fort që bashkarisht, duke punuar për standarde më të mira të punës, do të arrijnë të rrisin dhe produktivitetin e punës, që është një ndër sfidat kryesore që ky sektor ka.
I would definitely recommend that all companies join the ILO SCORE program, and I would recommend that they follow precisely the same path that we have done. That when they decide that it's time to change the mindset, they should adhere to the program and they should follow through every step. First, by understanding where they are and where they want to be, and use all the tools that we learn during this process on how to improve and achieve this objective faster. So yes, definitely yes.